Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install VLC media player on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here click on Play Store app. You will see, click on Play Store and click on search VLC. So click on VLC. So first of all, click on install. So you will see, after install VLC app, go back to home screen, refresh phone, and you will see VLC app is here. So simply click on VLC app. So click on allow permissions. So after allow permission, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install VLC media players on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.